Buddy, so how duck sauce going?
Buds, things going nice, picking up. I mean, people like want food. I got people in lime, so they want food, they want a lime. What you gonna say? You gotta go where the hustle is.
So I know the transition wasn't easy from bartender to chef, but I know you could always cook, right?
Always cooking family and thing, but you know, it's had to pick up things along the way as well. Remember how many years both are we in this industry? And we work for some good people.
So what is this we have here, bro?
Well, I tried my hand at something.
It's
These
looking
are
good. It's looking good, it's smelling good.
hand-rolled pork and cabbage dumplings. I make the wrappers myself, I wrap it myself. Just cook down with a little soy sauce and some sesame oil, you know. We got a little something to munch on. What you have for me?
Well, I gotta make something, I'm thinking, to mix with this. But let me dig into this one time. Alright?
My plate and thing,
That
you're real
plate's
fancy
there.
these days, you know.
Try to be a little fancy, you know.
Tie. You know, both men will just go by the doubles, man. We don't care, you know.
We don't care about that. We eating doubles hot on we hand.
If it bunny, hard luck there, saddest.
So, something like this.
Yeah.
This is what would be an appetizer.
Appetizer, have 6 of them, 8 of them, you can fill your belly. Is that a snack?
Nice.
Appetizer or snack, whatever you want to call it.
Chad, I don't know, no. Your things is really look good, bro. Yeah, you fix up on it.
But I'm hoping it's tasting good for you too.
So where you learn to cook? Like, where you really learn to cook?
Family. Remember, I worked in restaurants so many years now.
Yeah.
Just pick up things. Just pick up on watching what each chef is doing, what everybody's doing.
But you realize you like to use a lot of authentic methods where some might take the shortcuts, but you just do the real process.
Honestly, you know me, I don't like to stay at home and do nothing. So now I have extra time, like this. Stay all day and just fold dumplings just for spite. I just don't like to be bored. And I mean the traditional method is time consuming, but there's a little level of, you know, relaxation that comes with it.
Right. Bro, I have a gin here, right? LIND and lime. So
Try that one yet too.
it's really nice. You're getting the juniper, real present in it. And you're getting the pink peppercorn, right? But the lime, the citrus is crisp in it. Nice. So we're going to play with it. And I'm going to make a drink here for you now.
That's what we have.
Right?
That sounded like it'll mix real nice with that pork though.
You like the bottle? It's kind of nice and classic, yeah? Kind of.
It's pretty.
Yeah, I like it. So gin has kind of been trending like 2 years now internationally. Trinidad, it become popular, right?
You know that wasn't the only case all the time.
It wasn't. And essentially I think that's why it gaining the popularity. Gin is more botanical, as we know, and it's amazing the amount of flavors actually comes out of it while you're drinking it. And that's the nice part about it. And it's so mixable, it's versatile. So buddy, I'm gonna add some fresh cucumber and fresh watermelon to this. Starting with my watermelon. I'm gonna do
Nice.
some chunks.
Just leave you muddling it or you just leaving just so?
Now I'm just gonna leave it there to infuse in the drink.
You can leave the seeds, you know.
You like the seeds on yours?
You can leave the seeds,
Yeah,
you know.
let's try and take out some of the seeds.
Why don't walk up yourself, you know?
Make it look a little untidy. You know what I mean?
I tell you, it's after 4 o'clock, partner.
You ready to drink, brother?
I ready to lime. I don't lime no more.
I real hopeful and I real think that something's gonna happen. You know, we as bartenders, it's been down, but I
Well-
seen things picking up, bro. So buddy, I add the cucumber and now I adding some thyme.
Oh God, is that little fine time?
Yeah, the fine thyme now. To have a nice herbaceous element to it.
You really like that word herbaceous?
Herbaceous, huh? Yeah.
Herbaceous.
Herbaceous. So I add in the ice. Yeah.
Nice.
Remember I tell you, this drink really simple. The lime is present in this, so that's why I'm actually not using any fresh lime, because I like it.
You
but
know me,
citrus works
I
well
like
with
my gin
this.
and tonics when already, yeah?
Yeah. So you could try this simple cocktail at home using LIND and lime. Gather your fresh ingredients. If you're not particular to watermelon and cucumber, you could use a lot of citrus. Works well because it again a nice lime crisp. So you could use lemons, you could use grapefruits, you could use Portugals, right? And we introduced to the show before Double Dutch, and it pairs well with this LIND and lime. Double Dutch is actually a variety of premium mixers and tonics. They actually have a ginger beer that we used to create the first cocktail with the Jameson's Black Barrel. So I'm actually going to be using the same cucumber and watermelon flavor and topping up our gin and tonic.
Yeah, and okay, nice and pinky.
Garnishes, it don't need to be complicated. We cut up some few cubes. You pick your fresh herbs. If you do a little gardening at home, use your mint, use your rosemary, and have a nice flower. It's edible.
You realize fruit for a boy?
And we add this to the top here, bro, and here we go. Cheers.
4 p.m. Cheers, my friend. Yes, sire.
So guys, LIND and lime, this has been Bar Buddies, and I'm gonna surely see you again to create some really good cocktails at home. Cheers.